how to add staff account in Shopify. So from the settings here in the bottom left corner, if we click on it, we will be able to see users and permissions. So just click on users and permissions and you will see the section here for staff accounts. But if you want staff accounts, you will need to upgrade to at least Shopify for small teams. But I'm going to show you how we can do this. So basically from this page that I just showed you here, users and permissions, it's going to look like this. So Shopify admin, users and permissions, we will have to click on add staff, and then we'll need to enter the staff member's full name as is displayed on their government issued ID and their email address. Then we can select which permissions we want to give them, or we can select all permissions to give them. And then we will just simply have to click on send invite, and we'll have successfully invited this staff member. They will just need to accept. So like I said, so settings, users and permissions, and here staff accounts, you will be able to see an option to add staff if you have at least Shopify for small teams plan. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.